In this video clip, we'll do 1.A first. Approximate values with the calculator. Keep 3 decimal places. 1.A is 4 to the 4.6. On tier 83 calculator, you need this arrow up key, means exponent. Here we have a Google calculator, so you do is 4, and then x to the y means exponent. And then you see cursor on the shoulder of 4 shows up, then you input 4.6. You hit the enter, you have the answer. And that's approximately 588 and then 134. Because here the fourth digit after the decimal point is greater than or equal to 5, so you round it up. If it's less than 5, you will drop it. Okay, so that's the first answer. Now, let's look at 1.E. 1.E, we have is 3, and then on tier 83 calculator is arrow up, and then you input radical 7. For Google calculator, you do the similar thing. You have a 3, and again x to the y, then you see there is a cursor on the shoulder of 3, then you input radical 7, close bracket. You hit the enter key or equal sign, then you should have approximately, that's 18.295. Because here 4 on the fourth digit after decimal point is less than 5, so we drop it. The final answer is 18.295. Okay, now how about the question 2 here? 2B. There's the question here, 2B. Here we want to determine whether the given functions is exponential or not. If it is exponential, identify the value of the base. For the exponential function, you need to have a y equals a to the x. And here a is a constant. And here we can see when x equals 1, then you shall have a what? When x is 1, you shall have a y is a. Because of what? Because here we have a x is 1, so a to the first power is just a. And then we see here x equals 1 is 3/7. So in this case, for this one, a is this one, 3/7. And then is this really the exponential? You may check. So let's check. Y equals a to the x. That's 7/3 to the x. When x equals 1, then you can see 3/7 to the, we start maybe from -1. because of what? Because here we can see it starts from -1. We check all the values. So here, when x equals -1, we then have a y equals 3/7 to the -1. You simply flip it, 7/3. And here comes to be +1. That's exactly this value, 7/3. That's the value right here. Okay. Now, when x equals 0, you then have a y is 3/7 to the 0. Anything to the 0 is 1. So you can see here that's correct. And this one is correct. When x equals 1, you put here, that's 3/7. That's correct. Here, x equals 2. So you have a 3/7 squared. That's 3 squared, 7 squared. That's 9/49. That's correct for this one. How about the third one? That's exactly right. So here was 2. Let me write 2 here. Here, when x is 3, so you have a 3/7 cubed. That's 3 cubed, 7 cubed. And that's 3 cubed is 27. How about 7 cubed? 7 cubed is 343. You have a calculator here, you can check. 7 to the third power, you hit enter, is 343. That's the one right here. So here, determine whether the given function is exponential or not. The answer would be yes. You may write yes here. And then, if it is exponential, identify the value of the base. And here we have the answer. All right? Okay, I'll see you next time.